In case of today's council, William Mani Singh, Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, President Lengyang and Momento, presenting Lengyang and Momento by our respected sons, we N. Asokumar, IAS, Commissioner, Consultative. Congratulations to Madam Purimapo Amakahana, Terramna Operation Commission. I'd like to request Dr. Mayingong to submission to kindly present. Welcome.
Govinda Singh, Commissioner of Sir Ashok Kumar, President, Intelligence, representative of civil society organization, lecturers, officers of the government, friends from the media, and ladies and gentlemen, a very warm commissioner. Since the from C. Maruena, was in you thank them and the conceptual clarity that of the
home by Miliba, Honorable Govindas, I'm the number of Mirame, Secretary of Police in the Roina, Masas, some demand of the Manipur State Population Commission of the Home Department in a Sinbiliba. Demographic profile of Manipur, I will Sida, consultative meeting comes seminar. Station job up, Jabri Tamplay, no matter who city. When a city, Suguma consultative meeting comes familiar Sina. Tamsanga, I put Sina. Kanaka Laiva, Toran civil society Sina, Kanaka Laiva, Mapungwina, Amato in Tasalakanda, Yami Pagataba, Amadi Sargana recommendation of that. Samudana Pidiba, the Roman line, Lakani had been has a minute sound injury. When I get pushing, while I have died. One blockade, a got one for forward as since the level C send the loaders. So, whether a pub, no, Hati at it, understanding the canvas of Pudiva, Amadi, the same of 3 economic blockades. The Toronto traders in the drivers in our Washington, the Minister of Puri, sometimes again. So, for any form of education, the Devaki, guided about awareness in the in a walk at the work, Monatilla, Punama, Kanamina, Sina Pay, Portugal, Sargasu, Aula Nobzaki, and the Kajakanda, a Sindiliba. Suba seminar come consultative meetings in a about for Sinum and I said, I economically guide to check it.
Good morning. My Ampanum Pamukan of Pelumzari. Madam Queen Naira Aba, Wagi Pazar Singi Sigumba, Toromama, Yama, Home Department, Amazon Manipur State Population Commission. Pangtopidona Nominee over meeting come seminar on demographic profile of Manipur. Hyba Sida Mayam Punamulan Birapa, say Hanga Mugana, Tarano set Manipur State Population Commission who Skumba, Tarogasi, Local Pivagita Mutai Haki, Taraptagi Amugana Tagasa Pungopsada. Matam Supada, Aquida, Sarang Naba, demographic change, illegal immigrants, abnormal population growth, and so on. Udamak Singasi, Manipurda, Aquay, Hiram Kudimakta, platform Kudimakta, Nangas Honadron Labado, Sahi Kaya, Mamangila, Wahin Kaya, Laki Bakunamaksingato. Ngasiga sigumba 2 days seminar sida yamna fruitful oiba deliberations and insights and recommendation singadu
Chingnaba lengtena aige ithamoida leibasing adu soidana hongdokpigani madumangna aikoigi sarkarda Bharat Sarkarda akoina haibada hanadagi haidron leiraba 5th of August 2022 Sida Manipur 12th Manipur Legislative Assembly in Florida akoina State Population Commission adu National Register of Citizenship asigi matang nagi takna tro nakpa adu da natin akoi again on 1st of March 2024 akoi state sida sarang nabar laina fawda akoi government of India da haijin nakpa kaya sin ngasigi asigum nominee gi yamna maroi ba thoram masira akoi na mangal khastang wa pangani haibagi asilpa hazaba doi hana mayang ba tamjari mata mayang mada akoi praja singna tongan ba makhoi thamoi da dai madadi demographic profile population register census NRC immigration citizenship illegal immigrants amasung demographic science se akoi tongan ba interpretation da tongan ba artha kaya ama handoktuna akoi praja sing akoi panamakta gyan da ba malaibato adu sona sigi nominee ya sigumba akhang na kaya na pinthalaba asigi experts kaya sigi asigumba deliberation asigumba gi recommendation asida idi samang na basing adu soidan okani habagi asetpa hazabadu soyang mayam thamjari
from the public demand.
So this is something.
Even though there are a lot of concern regarding this demographic, even though there are a lot of concern regarding the demographic change in Manipur, government decided to go on with this 2 days consultative program. How do you see to go forward with all taking all the stakeholders down? Sige matang sige consultative happy mo ako happy mo ko may amgi trust
laki sino ay kasi na appropriate and like